Hi, Emma. Do you like going to restaurants?
Hi, David. Yes, I do. I enjoy trying different types of food. How long does it usually take you to decide what to order at a restaurant?
It depends. If the menu is small, I decide quickly, maybe 5 minutes. But if there are too many options, I can take 10 to 15 minutes. What about you?
Same here. I can take forever if the menu is long. Sometimes I even check the menu online before I go, just to save time.
That's smart. Has it ever happened to you that the food arrives at your table looking messy or poorly presented?
Yes, a few times. Once, I ordered a burger, and when it arrived, the bun was soggy and the fries were cold. What did you do when that happened to you?
I've had a similar experience with pasta. It was cold and looked unappetizing. I sent it back and asked for a fresh plate. Have you ever just paid for the meal even if it wasn't good?
Unfortunately, yes. I didn't want to cause trouble, but I regretted it afterward. Now, if something is wrong, I speak up.
Same. We're paying for good food, so it should be done right. By the way, do you like going to restaurants where people can smoke?
No, I can't stand it. I prefer smoke-free restaurants. You?
Me too. I like to enjoy my food without the smell of smoke. Do you usually go to fancy restaurants or cheaper places?
I prefer affordable places. I don't mind paying more for a special occasion, but for regular outings, I like cheaper spots. What about you?
I'm the same way. Actually, I know a small, cheap restaurant downtown that's amazing. The service is excellent, and the food is delicious.
That sounds awesome. What's it called?
It's called the Cozy Kitchen. You should check it out. When do you usually go to restaurants, on weekends or weekdays?
Mostly weekends. I like to relax after a long week. What about you?
Same here, but I sometimes go during the week if I need a break or if I meet up with friends. Do you usually go with family or friends?
It depends. Sometimes I go with family, but I love catching up with friends over dinner. What about you?
I usually go with friends too, but I also enjoy family dinners, especially on Sundays.
That sounds nice. I'll have to join you at the Cozy Kitchen one day.
That would be great. Let's plan something soon.
Definitely. Thanks for the recommendation, David.
You're welcome. See you soon, Emma.
See you, David.